what exactly is lucid dreaming. That's what we are going to look at first. Then we'll see why is it so important, and we also will look at how to get to lucid dreaming through systematic process. Lucid dreaming, if you practice just for 3 to 4 weeks, you would come out of your blocks, your fears, challenges in relationships, difficulties with people, with your job, with money, with many of the situations that you face, you can come out of. Hello and welcome to this session on lucid dreaming. One of the most powerful processes which now the science is validating, ancient process which should make our life different, more powerful, change our subconscious mind, heal ourselves, and also access to something incredible, what we call the superconscious mind. What exactly is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming has got two aspects. One, when we are dreaming, we know that we are dreaming. In simple term, we can say being aware of dreaming. That is one aspect of lucid dreaming. The second aspect of lucid dreaming is I can intervene in my dream. I can change my dream. Let's say I'm going through a nightmare. I convert it to a sweet, wonderful, powerful dream. So these are the two major aspects of lucid dreaming. Why lucid dreaming is super powerful? I have been telling about this, that is super powerful. Why? What exactly does it do to us? Dream is something which is said to have access to something incredibly creative. Still, it's an enigma. People like Albert Einstein, people like Thomas Alva Edison, Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, Nikola Tesla, they have experienced and expressed that most of our creatives have come through dreams. That's something enigmatic. Where from have they come? There is something somewhere where immense, expansive, creative information is stored, and we just get some kind of signal. Our brain is just a transmitter. Nikola Tesla exactly said that. I don't create, I get information. Dream is one gateway to this super consciousness. So access to super consciousness is another superpower which we are given with. And also this has healing powers and manifesting powers. We'll talk about those. So we will talk about how we get to the lucid dreaming process, how to master this process. Can we do it? Yes, we can. But it needs some kind of step-by-step approach. The good news is it's a skill. Like driving, like riding a bicycle, swimming, writing, whatever human being can do and learn and develop is a skill. And this is a skill which can be learnt and developed. Simple process. All of us, we can follow this and do this. If you are interested, please start it right now. The first thing I need to do is to remember my dreams. But there is a problem. Every dream, most of the dreams that we see, it just fizzles out. It just vanishes within first 5 minutes after we wake up. After that we forget, because it's a very different system how it is stored in our brain. If you can start this discipline of writing your dreams in a dream journal, you will find things are changing in your life. You remember your dreams. So the most important thing is maintaining a dream journal. When you are sleeping, it should be beside you, so that the moment you wake up, immediately you start recalling the dreams and writing the dreams. So first, dream journaling. Next, we call it reality check. Reality check is a process wherein constantly when I'm wakeful, I say, is it a dream or am I awake? So I check my hands, look at your hands and say, yes, I can count 5 fingers there, and then you can touch some of your part. Let's say you touch your nose, says, yes, I am wakeful now. And this practice also you need to generate in the dream also. Intermittently, you will check that this is dream or reality. We go to the next level called the mild or mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. This is affirmation. You just need to have an affirmation as you get to bed. When I dream tonight, I know that I am dreaming. When I dream tonight, I know that I am dreaming. Just this, you continue for 7 times before you sleep. Along with this, also you will have reality check. As you do reality check in the wakeful state, you will also say, when I dream, I will check the dream reality. This is something which will make your subconscious prepared for the dream. Lucid dreaming normally happens in the early morning, meaning around 4 to 6 hours after you sleep. So what we need to do, we have to wake up, get up at that time. So please do set alarm around 4 to 6 hours, roughly about 5 hours from the time of your sleep. And as the alarm clock goes off, you get up. Getting up and little relaxing, walking, and you're moving around for about 10 minutes, and then you can go back to bed. There again you'll have those affirmations. When I dream, I know that I am dreaming. Lie down on the bed. You will have the senses initiated lucid dreaming. Don't sleep immediately. First you'll close your eyes and see the darkness inside your mind for about 5 seconds. And you tell yourself, my inner vision is ready. Then you bring your attention to your ears, auditory sensory inputs. Just feel the inner sound and tell yourself, my inner voice is ready. Then you feel your body. Feel the touch of your body. Feel the touch of your clothes. Feel the touch of the bed. Feel your breath. Feel your heartbeat. Whatever you can feel with your body, just say, my inner touch is ready. So this will take about 15 seconds, one round. You are going to do it for 7 rounds. Then slowly you drift into the sleep state, saying that I am ready for a lucid dream. As you do this, most likely in the first 3 days, definitely it will happen. Initially, we'll go through spontaneous lucid dreaming, meaning you will know that you're dreaming, but it's spontaneous. It is, your control is not there. Only thing that you do when you are having lucid dreaming is reality check. Check your hands. Just look at your palm. Count the fingers in your dream. You are lifting your fingers off your dream body and counting it. Invariably, you'll find a blurry hand or more fingers, maybe 6 fingers or 4 fingers. It will not the exact count. You then say, yes, I am lucid dreaming. You can also try to touch your face. You will see that you are not touching your face, as if your hand is flowing through your face. This phase will take quite some time. Maybe if you start in the first week itself, you have the opportunity of getting 2 to 3 lucid dreaming, slowly getting intensified. I'll come to the most important aspect after this. But so far, if you have got something amazing, interesting, powerful, please do subscribe and share your experience in the comments. So we have come to the final important aspect. The power to intervene comes from inside. Our power to get into the dreaming process. The second aspect of lucid dreaming, where I start intervening in my dream. I get to change my subconscious programming. I get to access the superconscious intelligence. How to start it? When we get number of back-to-back lucid dreaming, we then have a new affirmation, urging the universal energy, give me the power to intervene in the dreams. And it will come automatically. No need to worry. You just need to be open. It will come automatically when you can intervene in your dreams. You can do magical things in your life. If you have fear of public speaking, you can speak in your dreams. You create a dream and speak through the dreams. In the dream, you are speaking to an audience. It is so natural, so vivid, so clear, as if it is 4K, crystal clear, 3-dimensional view that you are having. You are feeling all the feeling that you feel in the wakeful state. You can practice that in the dream. You can even learn certain skills. Few skills you can enhance, expedite those practices, including driving, including many of the players, they practice in their dreams as well. So dreams can be extraordinarily powerful, and you can have access to incredible creative source. If you are stuck in some problem in life, you start creating that urge, that source to give you solution. Many of these kind of things have been recorded in scientific journals when people get their solution through dreams. And this is something that you can do, incredibly powerful. And you can heal yourself. Heal some kind of disease which is otherwise probably cannot be healed by any medical science. One caution here, don't have any expectation as such. Just have a sense of surrender, whatever you want to include in the lucid dreaming intervention. Let's all do this practice every day, and slowly, I'm sure in 3 weeks' time, in 21 days' time, this can change so many things in our life. Simple practices: start journaling, reality check in the wakeful state, affirmation as you go to bed, set alarm, get up around 5 hours from the time you have gone to bed. Then you have those 10 minutes of break. Then you start getting to bed. Then have those senses, inner vision, inner sound, and the inner touch aspect. And be prepared to go through the lucid dream. Go through, check your reality in the dream state, knowing that you are dreaming. Then, as you get up, again document, write down. They are super powerful, supernatural information. Let's access that power. Let's change our life. Let's heal ourselves. Let's manifest the best things in our life.